Good day to you, and how you be, everybody? Jan Agosto here, and today we're talking about how to be a screen printer and putting your work out there. Hope you guys had a fantastic and blessed weekend, man. Wow, man, I took 2 weeks off. Awesome, man. Went upstate to go visit my mom, spend time with the family, and I had a great time. Now, back in the shop, back to the grind. There is something I've been thinking about a lot lately in making videos and making tutorials, and something I was thinking about what stood in my way maybe stands in your way. And I just want to take a couple of minutes today and address my thoughts and opinions on that, on being a screen printer and putting your work out there, because it might help you, it might even inspire you. While I was up there, I was thinking about, wow, why it took me 5 years before I opened up the shop to screen print, because I had the idea 5 years before that, and I took so long. And one of my biggest issues was waiting to get all the equipment I need to screen print. And that's why I'm doing this video, because I used to say to myself, I will start when I get a space. When I get an exposure unit, a flasher, a conveyor dryer, stop. Just stop. Step one, just freaking do it. Stop waiting till you get all this equipment that you need to start. Just stop. Just do it. Just print. Just start printing now. Forget about the exposure unit. Forget about the software or the space. Just forget all of that for now. The only thing you should be thinking about is just printing and get clients. Stop saying that I can't print as good as that guy I follow on Instagram. You know how you're gonna get there? By printing a lot of bad shirts. You're going to get better once you go through all that crap. How you become a good screen printer? By messing up a lot of shirts. But the step that is required to get where people are coming to you for their custom apparel is just starting to print. You have to invest a little. You're not gonna make no money at the beginning, but you are learning the print game. Recently, I had a client that wanted 2 screens done. He sent me the images, and I bought the screens, I coded the screens, and when he came to pick up, I asked him, what is this for? Is this a personal thing? Or he goes, no, he just got this company that wanted 300 shirts, and he has no equipment. He said, what I did was I took half of the payment, and he bought a press. He bought a squeegee, he bought an ink, he bought a heat gun, not a flasher, a heat gun, and a temperature gun. And he just wanted for me to do the screens for him, so at least he could get started printing. That is awesome. That inspired me. That person has no equipment and he's about to get started with a client. And 2 weeks after that, he comes back again with 1 screen because he found another client. That the client that he did those shirts for, refer him, and here he is. And that is amazing how you could just start like that. Look for a nearby screen printer. Call them, tell them, hey, could you do me some screens? They're gonna do some screens. Invest a little on a single press or smaller press, but the whole point is that you are getting started. You are printing right now. You're gonna mess up a lot of shirts, believe me, you're gonna mess up shirts, but that's what it's all about. There's no screen printer that started printing and then mess up shirts. It's gonna happen. It's part of the game. So don't be afraid of messing up shirts. So seeing that, it really inspired me. I was like, wow, man, people, if they really want to do this, they could do it. They could do it. Just look a way to get it done and you will start printing. Before you know it, you're already have your business name, you're already growing, and that's the beauty of this type of industry that you could start with little money. You could start. So my challenge to you this week is, if you're thinking to start screen printing, start. Go. Try to do something. And the ones that already has started, create something new. Maybe you haven't print halftones. Maybe you haven't done CMYK. Go for it. Get started. Don't be afraid of it. Get started. If you like this video and you think you got something out of it, hit that thumbs up button. It helps and I appreciate it. And in return, I will give you a fist bump, because I'm in this side of the manda. So thank you. The point of this video to hopefully inspire those who have gained this past year. And thank you for subscribing. Thank you for being interested in the content that I'm putting out there. I have a lot of stuff planned this year. I want to talk about exposing what type of inks, a few more CMYK I would like to throw, but it's gonna be a good year. This 2020 is gonna be amazing. So if you like this video, press that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. May God bless you all. Be grateful and peace out. I have a lot of stuff planned I want to share with you guys. I want to talk about exposing, curing, shirts. Oh man. Yeah, dímelo, Jose.